Welcome to PrepYourData. We're a startup company aimed at making it easy to clean up messy data yourself without programming your advanced Excel skills, so that you can quickly get on with analyzing your data. This week we are focusing on dates and creating calculated columns based on a date, such as quarters or day of week. This video shows how that can easily be done using PrepYourData software. Here I am in Excel with a table of data, including a column of dates. In many cases I need to create another column of values which shows some part of the date, such as the year, or some value derived from the date, such as the quarter or day of week. It's possible to do that using Excel if you know your Excel functions well. But let's see how easy it is to do using PrepYourData. Here we are in PrepYourData. First, I import the file. And open that file and open the dates column. And this shows me all of the dates that appear in that column and how frequently each of them appears. But over here I have my options to clean the data and to add extra calculated columns. So I can do things like add a year column. 4 digits sounds good. Call it year. Okay, and it did that. Add a year and a month. Year, month, order year, month, separated with a slash, 2 digits for the month. Sounds okay. Add a day of year column. The day of year, done. Day of the week. Day of the week. I could add a day of the week as names, or I could also add a day of the week as numbers. Well, why don't we just do both? Day of the week as numbers, I have a couple of choices. What day does of the week does the week start on? And am I going to use 0-based counting or 1-based counting? I'm going to say Sunday and 0. So Sunday will be 0, Monday will be 1, Saturday will be 6, and so on. Add a quarter. Okay, I can add a quarter, and so if I just leave it like this, it will just give me the quarter, or I could include the year as well. And I'm going to have a separator as a slash and put Q as a prefix. Sometimes you need this prefix, otherwise 12/15 or 12/10 could be interpreted as a date by Excel, so the prefix forces it to be treated as a string rather than as a date. Now, what if I was into fiscal quarters? Fiscal quarters don't always end in December. Well, that's pretty easily changed. So if I have a fiscal year that runs, let's say September to September or October to September, my last month is September. I can include the year. I'm going to prefix this one as fiscal quarters, keep the same separator, and hit OK. Now, I say it has done all that. It's not obvious from here, but if I come back to here and I start scrolling across, we can see years, years and months, day of the week, the day of the year, and my quarters, and it's automatically done the calculations. The fiscal quarters, of course, what's quarter 2 2014 may be fiscal quarter 3, and in fact what's quarter 4 of 2010 may be fiscal quarter 1 of fiscal year 2011. I can copy all that to the clipboard, and then back in Excel I'm just going to create a new sheet, and I'm going to paste all of that. Got my event date, year and month, day of year, day of week, year quarter, and fiscal quarter. That all looked very easy, and it was. Doing the same thing in Excel requires knowing a number of different functions and applying some creative math, especially to get the fiscal quarter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch our other videos showing PrepYourData solving other common data cleaning problems.